I think it's the right time to do it. Feeling a little bit nervous. Today is very exciting. Something that I've been wanting to do. I've had it like in the back pocket. Monday is my birthday and figured, you know what? I think it's the right time to do it. Having your conch pierced. I thought that this ear needed a little something because I didn't want to place any more piercings on the lobe, but I wanted just a little something extra on this side. I do have a bunch of piercings which I have gotten throughout last year, and I'm gonna link the video down below where I had them done, but those were done with a piercing gun. We're going to a tattoo piercing spot that's local. I'm gonna take you along with me and share the whole process, my thoughts on it after a week, because I think that's also very important. Just some things to know in case you're also thinking of having your conch pierced. We're gonna experience this together. With that being said, in case you're new here, I'm Christine and this channel is dedicated to all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle vlogs. If that's something that may interest you, we'd greatly appreciate it if you would please subscribe and also be a part of the Chicky crew. Let me get April together and let's go down and let's do this. Feeling a little bit nervous, but it's okay. Shalay just went over all of the aftercare instructions. And we have everything like set up. She was so kind, you know, and patient, because like that's the second camera right there. Does it generally hurt?
The needle?
Yes.
Well, everyone's pain tolerance is completely different, but I probably give it maybe 5 out of 10.
Okay, so it's like not too bad.
It's more of like you can feel that burning and pinching feeling, and the more uncomfortable part is when we put in the jewelry.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good placement.
I'm gonna go ahead and you're gonna feel the back of my needle.
Okay.
Question mark. My indication would be a nice deep breath in, deep breath out, okay?
Okay.
Nice deep breath in for me. Let that out. That was it. You okay?
Yes. There was a little sting, but I would say that was a 5. Yeah. Yeah, you're right, 5.
There's your backing. I'm gonna go ahead and put on your top, and then you are on down the cut.
Oh my gosh. Okay, that wasn't bad. That was not bad.
Cute. Gonna go ahead and clean that.
Is it okay to go to the gym, or would you?
You can definitely go ahead and go to the gym. Just
Okay.
make sure your hair is up. If you have over-the-head headphones, avoid those for a
Okay.
little bit. I just don't want bacteria in there getting into your fresh wound.
Okay.
You could go ahead. I would avoid AirPods as well for a second.
Okay.
Just because it's going to kind of hit it. If you are a huge side sleeper, how I am,
Yes.
you do have travel pillows. You could go ahead and put that on your side, lay in it, put your ear inside that little hole, so you're still sleeping on your side but not necessarily putting pressure on your fresh piercing.
Oh, okay. That's a really wonderful idea. Okay. Yeah, I'm a left side sleeper. I love it. It's perfect.
Yay!
Yeah, it's perfect. Oh my gosh, thank you. And this is the wonderful Sheree. Thank you so much.
Of course. It was such a pleasure to have you, actually.
Thank you. It was a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you.
We have our conch pierced. Wanted to get something a little bit simple. You could always switch it out. But she did recommend that I can't switch it out for about 7 to 8 months. I will give you just some thoughts on it within the end of this week, because I know that's gonna definitely be a struggle. Sheree told me that they just had a grand opening on May 4th, so they are a fairly new tattoo shop here in Thousand Oaks. I'll make sure to leave all their information down below in case you're interested. So it has been a little over a week since I've had my conch pierced. Wanted to give you some feedback and also share some tips and tricks that I found have helped me, especially with the healing process. And the healing process for this is about 6 to 9 months. I do have a little pamphlet here, which she did give me. It's supposed to come back in 4 to 6 weeks, so she can kind of change the backing of this. She can make it a little bit smaller, or yeah, shorten the backing a bit so it's not sticking out as much. But the aftercare is really simple. She did recommend it's a piercing aftercare fine mist. It does spray like a very, very fine, I mean, look at that, very, very fine mist, which I have been doing twice, 3 times a day, really depending on the circumstances, but most of the time twice a day I've been using this. I'm a left side sleeper. I can't really sleep on the right side because of these piercings. They tend to get irritated, and I am not a person who just sleeps on their back. It's always got to be on the left side. So this I found has been so helpful, and it's just a neck pillow, like literally a neck pillow. This one's, it's Gudetama. How cute is this, right? Right? It's so cute. It has a little hood. But anyway, with this, just put it like this, so my ear is basically laying in this hole and nothing is pressing against it. I'm still able to put an earbud in this ear and then sleep comfortably on the side. I know it probably looks funny. This has been so helpful because most likely if I were to use a regular pillow, I would end up putting pressure on it, which would then probably irritate it. Let me see if I can zoom you in. It is also healing quite well. Thankfully, it hasn't gotten caught in my hair, or when I'm washing my hair, I haven't accidentally just like tugged on it or like pushed it. So I'm very mindful because I just want to make sure that it heals properly, especially because it is a conch piercing and it's not just a regular earlobe piercing. Pain intensity was like 5. I mean, you do feel that needle for a quick second and then that's it. So it's not bad in my opinion. Will I get another piercing? At this time, I think I'm good. You know, we kind of have something here now with the other ear piercing, and then on the right side I think we're good with piercings, at least for right now. So let me know your thoughts. Have you gotten your conch pierced? Are you thinking about it? What are your thoughts if you have gotten your conch pierced? What was the pain intensity for you? I would love to know. Or if you have any stories you'd love to share in the comment area, please let me know. I love chatting with you and reading through your comments. I hope you found this video helpful, entertaining, and also just beneficial in general. If you did, please make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Shiki crew. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing, wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.